welcome to all of the friends. In our previous lecture, we had completed all the notes regarding force and pressure. Now, we are going to discuss on some exercise questions. First, choose the correct. So, I hope that all of you have your notebook, that is a science, 8 science. So, turn to the page number 154, 154 and see the exercise and question number 1, that is choose the correct option. Okay, so I will discuss one by one question. First question, which of the following is an example of contact force? There are 4 options: magnetic force, frictional force, gravitational force, and all of these. You must remember that in our previous video we discussed on the topic contact force and non-contact force. So you also classified that what are the contact force and what are the types of non-contact force. So in this question, magnetic force is non-contact force, gravitational force is also non-contact force. Only B option is the correct, that is the frictional force. So tick on option B. This is the contact force. Okay. Second question. A force cannot change the. Second question. A force cannot change the. 4 options: speed of an object, mass of an object, shape of an object, the direction of a moving object. So in the our previous topic, effect of force, we have discussed all the things, all the effect of forces one by one. So you must remember that force change the speed of object, yes. Change the shape of object, yes. And also change the direction of moving object. Cricket वाला example आपको याद होगा. So mass of an object is never changed by the force. So the correct answer is mass of an object. Second का answer B. Question number 3. What is the pull of the earth called? There are 4 options: gravitational force, frictional force, electrostatic force, and none of these. So we also discussed the non-contact force, that is gravitational force. So this gravitational force is also called gravity of the earth. So pull of earth is due to only gravitational force. So the correct option for question number 3 is A, gravitational force. Please tick on the answer option gravitational force. Next question, question number 4. If a force is applied on a smaller area of contact, the pressure exerted by it is. There are 4 options: greater, lesser, the same, no effect. So in our previous lecture we also discussed on these things, the force depends on two things. The pressure depends on two things: area and force. If more force, then more pressure, and if more area, then pressure is less. If small area, then pressure will be greater, because pressure is inversely proportional to the area. So what is the answer for question number 4? Option number A is the correct. If a force is applied on a smaller area of contact, the pressure exerted by it is a greater. Okay. Now question number 5. SI unit of force is, all of you know about this question, so the correct answer is Newton. Okay, the SI unit of force is Newton, not a dyne, kilogram, weight and d kg. Okay, now question number 6. Let's see question number 6. Gravitational force acts between, option number 1, sun and planet, B, earth and bodies, C, all the bodies in the universe, sun and earth. What will be the answer of question number 6? All the bodies in the universe. All the bodies means whatever the object or body, that is sun, planet, earth, sun, earth, all the things are considered as a body or object. So question number 6, the correct answer is option number C, all the bodies in the universe. Okay. Now question number 7. A barometer is a compact device for measuring what? अभी मैंने बताया, ऑप्शन नंबर 2, वॉल्यूम, हाइट, प्रेशर, ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7? ऑप्शन नंबर C, प्रेशर. प्रेशर इज द करेक्ट आंसर which is measured by barometer. Okay. Now question number 8. Which force is an example of contact force? All of you know about the types of contact force. That is, there are two types of contact force, one muscular and second friction force. So what is the answer of question number 8? The correct answer for question number 8 is muscular force, because gravitational, magnetic and electrostatic force are non-contact force, because there is no contact between object and other object. Okay. Well, now question number 9. Question number 9, see in your notebook. A stone falling from the roof of a house is an example of frictional force, magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. A stone falling from the roof of a house is an example of what? Gravitational force. I also discussed in earlier section that if we throw a stone in the open sky, then what will happen? It returns to the ground after some time. So what is the answer? That is the question. That is the option number C, gravitational force, or due to gravity of the earth. 10. Pressure increases if the area of contact. Again this question, if the area of contact is increased, then what is the value of pressure? Pressure will be decreases. एरिया ज़्यादा होगा तो प्रेशर क्या होगा? कम होगा, बिकॉज प्रेशर इज इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल और इन्वर्सली डिपेंड्स ऑन एरिया. ओके. Now last question. Pressure exerted by the liquid on the wall of a vessel is equal in all the direction or more towards bottom, more on the inside, both A and C. So for this question, you should go through the activity, which is activity number 7. So in this activity, one thing is that if the pressure exerted by the liquid on the wall of a vessel is equal in all the direction. So what is the answer of question number 11? Option number B, which is equal in all the directions. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. बी सेकंड क्वेश्चन में देखिए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, फोर्स हैज डैश एंड डायरेक्शन. व्हाट इज द आंसर इन द प्लेस ऑफ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स? द फोर्स हैज मैग्नीट्यूड एंड डायरेक्शन. व्हाट इज द आंसर? मैग्नीट्यूड. राइट हियर, मैग्नीट्यूड. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, force always opposes motion. Which force? Force always opposes motion. What is the answer of question number second? Friction force always opposes motion. The correct answer of question number 2 is friction force. Okay. Now question number third, pressure is the force acting on dash area. Definition, you must go through definition. What is the definition of pressure? The force per unit area. Force acting on per unit area. So what is the answer for question number 3? Per unit area. Write down per unit area. Okay. Now question number 4, SI unit of pressure is what? Fill in the blanks. क्या होगा? पास्कल. मैंने बताया था पास्कल और न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके. Now question number 5, force arises due to between two bodies, dash between two bodies. Force arises due to dash interaction between two objects. What is the answer of question number 5? A force arises due to interaction between two objects. Okay. Question number 6, an example of non contact force is. 3 एग्जाम्पल है, कोई सा भी आप दे सकते हैं. An example of non contact force is gravitational force or electrostatic force or electromagnetic force. Whatever you want, write any one. Okay. Question number 7, the pressure exerted by air around us is known as what? Atmospheric pressure. Okay. Question number 8, application of force can change the shape and speed of an object. Any two applications. So first आपको लिखना है shape and second speed. Okay, shape and speed. Question number 9, force exerted by our muscles is called which force? That is the muscular force. Okay. Question number 10, force per unit area is called pressure. Okay. What is the answer for question number 10? Force per unit area is pressure. Okay. So these two exercise you must write these two questions in your notebook in systematic way and write their answers. In previous question there is a choose the correct answer, so you first write the questions, their option, and write down the answer of the questions, not tick on the objective. Okay, so first question, write the question. Second, one option, two option, three option, four option, and answer of these questions. Suppose the example of contact force, four option: gravitational force, muscular force, friction, electrostatic force, magnetic force. So your answer is muscular force. You have to write muscular force. Okay, not tick on the muscular force. Okay, these things about the exercise questions. Further we discuss on true and false. Okay.